The highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 Ultra has been the subject of several leaks, revealing exciting details about its design and features. First and foremost, the design is one of the standout features. The Ultra model sports a bold circular camera module at the back, which is sure to catch the eye. Thanks to renders shared by SmartPre in collaboration with renowned leaker Yogesh Brar, we've got a first look at this design. Brar is known for his accurate leaks, and he dropped these visuals through trusted channels. The circular camera houses 4 lenses, with Leica branding prominently displayed on the top left. Leica's partnership with Xiaomi has previously delivered impressive photography results, and it looks like this collaboration is set to continue with the Ultra. According to Yogesh, one of the most exciting aspects of this camera module is the inclusion of a powerful periscope zoom lens. This 200-megapixel periscope lens, situated on the top right of the camera module, is expected to offer a 4.3x optical zoom and an f2.6 aperture, utilizing the Samsung ISOCELL HP 9 1:1.4-inch image sensor. This is a significant improvement in zoom technology, and Xiaomi's focus on advanced photography hardware seems clear. The primary lens, on the other hand, will use a 50-megapixel Sony sensor with an ultra-wide and telephoto lens rounding out the impressive camera setup. These lenses, arranged horizontally at the bottom of the circular module, also sport 50-megapixel sensors. According to the leaks, the front will feature a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Ultra model will feature a stunning 6.7-inch, 120 Hz 2K LTPO micro quad curve display. Powering all of this is the recently launched Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This chipset was recently detailed in an article alongside the Xiaomi 15 leaks. The upcoming model is expected to offer a bigger 6,000mm battery. Wired charging is set to cap at 90 watt, while wireless charging will likely reach up to 80 watt. Running on HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, the new interface is expected to be smoother and more user-friendly. Xiaomi is gradually shifting away from its older MIUI to the newly developed HyperOS, which offers a fresh take on software experience with better optimization for performance and battery life. Xiaomi is expected to unveil its flagship models, the 15 and 15 Pro, by the end of October in China. However, the Ultra will follow these models, with an anticipated launch in February 2025. Based on previous pricing patterns, a price range of $1,200 to $1,300 is a reasonable estimate. What do you think about the bold new design? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates as the official release approaches.